Before you took another fertility pill that worked for someone online, let me ask you something, please. If your car stopped working and you knew it didn't run out of gas, would you just pour oil in and hope for the best? Probably not. You'd likely take it to the shop and figure out what's going on. So, why treat fertility differently? So, if you've been trying to get pregnant and it seems like it's just not working, the answer is not automatically another pill, another protocol, another supplement, going online and getting ideas from other folks. Because here's the thing, your body is not her body, your story is not her story. Your fertility evaluation should ideally start with your evaluation, not online guessing. And here is the part that a lot of women are not told. It's not just about one blood test or a couple of blood tests. A proper evaluation requires to ask, are you ovulating? Is your bleeding really regular menses? How are your fallopian tubes? What about the sperm? Because it really does take two to tango. My point is, the whole picture matters, and timing matters as well.